Failures, rejections, breakups, these are life's toughest moments, right? When you lose something you really dreamed of, you cared about, be it a dream job, your relationship, or even a friendship, you may feel like the entire world has come to a stop, like everything has ended. It may even feel so difficult to breathe. But what if I told you? It's not a punishment. It's just a feedback the life is giving you. It's an opportunity the life is giving you to rebuild yourself. It might be the beginning of something so great you never even expected about. Hi, I'm Dr. Karthika here, and today I want to share with you all how to rise after your biggest fall, how to turn your breakdown into a breakthrough, because something that feels like an end to everything might be an opportunity to start once again. After a failure or a breakup, we often ask ourselves, why me? Why this has happened to me? Reframe your thought. Try asking, what is this incident trying to teach me? Look around yourself. Every strong person has been broken once. Every successful person has at least failed once. So what is the difference? They did not stop. The pain did not stop them from becoming who they are. They turned their pain into the stepping stone towards their success. Look around yourself. You can see Manju Warrior, you can see Samantha, you can see J.K. Rowling. She tried 12 times before she succeeded. So your comeback starts from the point where you reframe your story from why me to what is this trying to teach me, and learn from your mistakes. Definitely, after a failure or a breakup, you'll feel empty, as if you have lost everything. It's quite natural. But never ever fill that emptiness with your same old habits like binge eating, binge watching, or some new addictions or distractions like alcohol or drugs, or with a new relationship. Never ever do that mistake, because this emptiness is the space where growth happens, where growth will take its roots. So take your time, plan your future, make priority list. What is your first priority? And make baby steps towards your goal. That is what this empty space should be used for. Always make your pain into your power. Definitely a breakup or a failure will give you immense pain, but that pain will also wake you up. That pain will force you to look into things you were ignoring. It can be your self-confidence, it can be your self-respect, it can be your dreams you were ignoring, it can even be your gut feeling you were ignoring. Because this pain will always help you to grow. Never give up in the face of pain, because your story might be an inspiration to someone around you to not give up. So next time when life knocks you down, face it. Face it as an opportunity to rebuild yourself, to grow into someone better. If you could relate to this video, kindly share it with someone who's really struggling at this point of life. Thank you.